morning student. How are you? I hope you are all good. Today we will discuss chapter number 12, that is reproduction in plants. Now we will solve the exercise question given in your textbook. Okay, question number first is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Please note down in your notebook. First question is given. Production of a new individual from the vegetative part of a parent is called what? That is vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation. Now, question number 2 is given. A flower may have either male or female reproductive parts. Such a flower is called what? Unisexual flower. Unisexual flower. And question number 3 is the transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of the same or the another flower of the same kind is known as pollination process. Pollination process. Pollination. Question number 4. The fusion of male and female gametes is termed as fertilization. Fertilization. Now, fifth question is seed dispersal takes place by means of first is wind, second is water, and third is animals. Animals or insects. Animals or in bracket insects. Insects. First, fill in the blanks. Vegetative propagation. Second, unisexual flower. Third, pollination. Fourth, fertilization. And fifth, wind, water and animals. In bracket, insects. Now, second question. Describe the different method of asexual reproduction. Give example. सेकंड क्वेश्चन डिफाइन करना है आपको asexual reproduction, वो भी एग्जांपल के साथ. डिफरेंट asexual reproduction. asexual reproduction में आपका है वेजिटेटिव प्रोपगेशन है, बडिंग, फ्रैगमेंटेशन एंड स्पोर फॉर्मेशन है. नाउ हेडिंग इज आंसर नंबर 2. different methods of asexual reproduction are फर्स्ट हेडिंग नोट डाउन कीजिए. फर्स्ट इज वेजिटेटिव प्रोपगेशन. vegetative propagation. when vegetative parts of plant, when vegetative when vegetative parts of a plant, parts of a plant like stem, leaves or root give rise to new ones. It is called vegetative propagation. It is called vegetative propagation. Examples. Rose, potato and ginger. Rose, potato and ginger. इसमें आपको डिफरेंट मेथड्स बताने हैं एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन के। फर्स्ट मेथड है वेजिटेटिव प्रोपागेशन। इन वेजिटेटिव प्रोपागेशन plants like stems, leaves or root give rise to new ones. It is called vegetative propagation. Example rose, potato and ginger. मीन्स इसमें क्या करते हैं हम लोग, जो प्लांट्स हैं उसके स्टेम, उसके लीव्स और रूट्स के थ्रू हम लोग न्यू प्लांट को जनरेट करते हैं। एग्जाम्पल रोज आप लोगों ने सुना होगा। रोज के अगर हम लोग स्टेम को कट करके उसको सॉइल में इंसर्ट करते हैं तो वहां से हमें न्यू रोज के प्लांट ऑब्टेन हो जाते हैं। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज बडिंग। सेकेंड पॉइंट बडिंग। Budding is a type of asexual reproduction. Budding is a type of asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction, which a new organism, which a new organism develops from an outgrowth or bud. Examples yeast. Budding is a type of asexual reproduction which a new organism developed from an outgrowth or bud. Example yeast. Okay student, now third is fragmentation. Third point is fragmentation. इन सब के एक्सप्लेनेशन प्रीवियस वीडियो में आपको एक्सप्लेन कर चुके हैं। ओके, ये आपके एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन को हम सॉल्व करा रहे हैं। नाउ नेक्स्ट हेडिंग इज फ्रैगमेंटेशन। It is a type of asexual reproduction in organism in which an organism in which an organism simply breaks down into several parts to reproduce new individuals. Examples: Spirogyra. Spirogyra means fragmentation में fragmentation is also a asexual reproduction का पार्ट है और इसमें जो ऑर्गेनिज्म है ये रिप्रोडक्शन के प्रोसेस में ब्रेक डाउन करते हैं और सेवरल पार्ट में डिवाइड होकर न्यू अपने जैसे सेम न्यू ऑर्गेनिज्म को फॉर्म करते हैं. ओके, एग्जांपल है स्पाइरोगायरा. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज स्पोर फॉर्मेशन. स्पोर फॉर्मेशन Spore formation. Spore formation is a type of it is also type of asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction asexual reproduction in which some organism like fungi reproduce by spores. Spores are very hard. Okay, spores are sexual reproductive bodies. Full stop. The spore germinates. The spore germinates to develop a new plant. Example: fungi. Spore formation, it is a type of asexual reproduction in which some organism like fungi reproduce by spores. Spores are a sexual reproductive body. The spore germinates to develop a new plant. Okay, now in your textbook, third question is given. Explain what you understand by sexual reproduction. सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन से आप क्या समझते हैं? आंसर इज, नोट डाउन कीजिए. Heading sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction in flowering plants. In flowering plants. In flowering plants is a process. Is a process in which male gametes in which male gametes fuse with female gametes to form a new cell called zygote. Sexual reproduction in flowering plant is a process in which male gametes fuse with female gametes to form a new cell is called zygote. Okay. Now fourth question is given. State the main difference between sexual and asexual reproduction. Question number 4. What is the basic difference between sexual and asexual reproduction? Asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. First point, plants can give rise to new plants without seeds. Means asexual reproduction में seeds की need नहीं होती है and sexual reproduction में seeds की need होती है. New plants are obtained from seeds. Second point, single parent is required to produce an individual. Single parent is required to produce an individual. Individuals. In sexual reproduction, two parents means इसमें two parents की need होगी. इसमें single parents भी new individual को germinate कर सकता है. But sexual reproduction में two parents की need होती है. Two parents are required to produce individuals. Third point is, in third point, characters of a new individual are same as that of the parents. मतलब जो पेरेंट के कैरेक्टर होंगे वही सेम उनके चाइल्ड के भी कैरेक्टर होंगे. ओके, बट इन सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन, थर्ड पॉइंट इज न्यू इंडिविजुअल has the character of both the parent. First point is plants can give rise to new plants without seed. New plants are obtained from the seed. Second point, in asexual reproduction, single parent is required to produce an individual. And second point is sexual reproduction. Two parents are required to reproduce an individual. Third point, character of a new individual are seen as that of the parents. But in sexual reproduction, new individual has the character of both the parents. Okay. Now, fifth question is sketch the reproductive parts of flowers. Reproductive parts of flower, पेज नंबर 137 पे गिवन है. फिगर नंबर 12.9 ये हम प्रीवियस वीडियो में मैंने आपको करवा दिया है. ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ वी डिस्कस क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. एक्सप्लेन द डिफरेंस बिटवीन सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन एंड क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन. Self pollination and cross pollination. Next heading. Question number 6. Self pollination cross pollination. In self pollination, the pollen grains are transferred from anther to stigma of the same flower, or different flower present on the same plant. On the same plants. And cross pollination. In cross pollination, pollination, the pollen grains are transferred from anther to stigma, from anther of a flower to the stigma of a flower of another similar plant. What is the basic difference between self-pollination and cross-pollination? In self-pollination, the pollen grains transferred from anther to stigma of the same flower or different flower present on the same plant. Okay, but in cross-pollination, in the pollen grain are transferred from anther of a flower to the stigma of flower to another and similar plant. मीन्स जो इसमें एंथर और स्टिग्मा से जो पॉलन ग्रेन का ट्रांसफर होता है वो सेम प्लांट के एनदर फ्लावर पर भी हो सकता है. ओके स्टूडेंट, थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.